Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. No, I'm not that guy. I don't have no YouTube voice. What you see is what you get with me. But anyways, this is a quick update on my SPX trade. In this video I posted 2 hours ago, I explained to you why I was looking at XPX for a short, even though 4 days ago, 3 days ago in these two videos, I was looking at XPX for a long. I longed and I made money because I identified the trend. The trend told me it's on an uptrend, so I joined the winning team. I joined the longs. But now I've realized the trend is reversing. So in this video that I posted 2 hours ago, I explained why I'm looking for a short. And I wasn't just looking for any short. I was being very specific. I needed the price action to do a lower high so I can enter a short. Anyways, let's quickly look into this video.
But
Alright,
I don't
cool.
like entering shorts like that. So for me to enter a short, I would like to enter on a lower high. So right now, let me show you. So the price going down, right? So look, it's here, lower high, boom, lower low, innit? I wanted to another lower high around here, and then boom, we can come down here.
All right. So obviously I explained why I was looking for a lower high and my entry would have been the lower high, right? And then I also talked about Bitcoin because Bitcoin needed to go down for my trade to play out. Because no matter how good your chart looks, no matter how good the setup looks, if Bitcoin is doing the opposite to what your coin's doing, it doesn't make no sense. So basically, how do I break this down? So basically, if you want, let's say you're trading Ethereum, yeah? And you want Ethereum price to go down. And when you do your charts, everything looks good. It's looking like it's going to go down, yeah? But if you look at Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin's looking like the opposite, like it's going to go up, I don't advise you to do that, to take the Ethereum trade. I advise you to copy what Bitcoin's doing. Like, Bitcoin controls the market. Simple. Like, there might be one or two coins out of like 7,000 that's not doing what Bitcoin's doing. The majority of the coins follow what Bitcoin's doing. The quicker you learn that, the more money you save. Anyways, let's go. And I can't say I knew, but I had a big feeling Bitcoin was gonna dump today. And a lot of people, a lot of traders they thought Bitcoin was gonna bounce at support and go make a higher high. And I wasn't one of those guys. Anyways, so let me go when do I start talking about Bitcoin? Probably down here.
I like that. Doing something like this, I really like. See, this is the high. I don't want it shorts over here. It's thinking.
This is what I needed for my short to play out. Yeah, I needed Bitcoin to go down. If you haven't watched this video, I advise you to watch this video. I specifically said 2%, 3% down on Bitcoin would be lovely for my shorts to play out, right? Anyways, enough of that. Let's go into the charts. As you can see, SPX done a lower high. On that video that we just seen, I wanted it to come to this white line or even better on this green line. But in trading, especially using leverage, especially leverage trading, you need to be able to adapt. Even though I wanted it to come here or even to the green or even to the green line, when I saw like the lower high potentially happening, I scrapped all of this. I scrapped waiting for the white line. I scrapped waiting for the green line. And obviously I entered right here on a lower high. Price went down and made a lower low. Potentially it's about to make another lower high, but you won't know until this low gets broken, basically, innit? Anyways, long story short, I was giving you an update of the trend of my trade, and obviously I got in. Obviously I made some gains. Let me see if I can show you some gains quickly. There you go. Not a lot, but and again, it took me 25 minutes to do the chart, and then after that, that was it. Like, I was in the trade for, I don't know, less than 30 minutes, less than an hour, to be fair, yeah? 500. I could have made 1,200, but I just didn't like the way Bitcoin was dumping. And I just said, you know what? Fuck it. Worst comes to worst, 500 for the day. Why not? Like, like why not? I know certain people that's making 500 in a week, and I make 500 in an hour. The way I do it is I stack up the profits, and then at the end of the month, I see how much I made in it. Some trade, like you can see my short, some trades I make 1,000, some trades I make 5,000, 7,000, 8,000. But some trades, I'm happy with making 500. Obviously, I'm pissed because I think this is where I sold. I sold over here, thinking price will hit here, bounce, and then I'll lose on some of my gains. But the main reason why I sold was when I saw that $500, it didn't make me feel like, oh no, it's just $500. No, I just said, you know what, 500. I didn't even work that hard. I literally woke up, saw a chart, I saw the trend changing, and I said, why not? And I entered the trade. Feel me? So now let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin done. Bitcoin dumped. So over here, this is when I made the video, yeah, around here. Everyone's expecting Bitcoin to break this resistance and go up and up and up. But what I did was on the 4 hour, I done this little trend line. Yeah. This might not look weird to like, but I'm not using the wicks. I'm using candle close in it. Yeah. So candle close, candle close, candle close, candle close. But anyways, I saw that and I said, cool. Like Bitcoin goes up, I won't get excited because I'll see this as a lower high. A lot of other traders are thinking, yeah, it's gonna go here. Other traders saw this. Bitcoin doing this. Yeah. I get it. I get why they saw. I understand why they saw that. But me, remember, I'm not a bull. So maybe they're bulls or they was bullish. Like I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. I'm just a I just find out who's winning and I cut. When I saw this, I said, hold on, because Bitcoin can easily go up, create a lower high, and then go make a lower low. That's what I saw. And that's what I hoped for. And that's what ended up happening. Lower high on on Bitcoin looks so much better on the hourly. Look at that. As you can see, this is a high, this is a high, this is a high. It went down, came up, lower high. That's why that's why it's dumping, yeah? Same thing as SPX. Go on the 15 minutes so you can see it more. SPX, same thing. This is a high. You can say another high, a weird kind of high, and it came down, lower high, came down, lower high, came down, lower high. Obviously, as he's making the lower highs, he's making lower lows. So basically, the reason I'm showing you this video is because I want you lot to understand something. As long as you can identify the trend, yeah, doesn't matter what anyone else has got to tell you. You can do this shit yourself. So rule number one should be how to find support and resistance. And the number two should be identifying the trend. As long as you learn, you learn how to identify the trend, everything else is a myth. Like everything else, it's not, I can't say a myth, but everything else is just noise. Because all of these guys will start talking about VWAP, order block, this, yeah. But once they put their little indicators on, it's got something like you'll see something like in common. Let's say like the VWAP's up here, yeah, you see heavy resistance down there. Let's say the VWAP's down here, you see heavy support down there. So like, forget about all of that shit. Just understand how to do support and resistance, and then understand how to identify a trend, and that's it. And don't get scammed by these guys, man. Like, see these guys, like these words that I'm using: support, resistance, lower low, lower high. They'll have different words for it. And then you think, fuck, my man just said goo goo gaga gigi gaga. And the only way I can understand this goo goo gigi gaga is if I actually pay for the course and go in his course and then he's going to teach me how to speak gibberish, goo goo gigi gaga. But all these guys are doing is they understand how to trade. They use the same words that normal traders use, and then they'll remix it. They'll turn it into their own words, and then they'll tell you, yo, come and join my course. I mean, it's up to you. See, having a mentor, it's all cool. I get it. Yeah, I get it. Having a mentor is cool because if you don't know what you're doing, you should have a mentor. But all I'm saying is make sure you pick the right one. That's all I'm saying. Do you get it? Me personally, do I think I'm better than these other traders? No. But am I a good trader? Yes. 100%. Like, do I lose? Yeah. Do I win? Hell yeah. Do you get it? And yeah, man, this is why I'm creating this channel, man. Because I'm slacking right now. I'm supposed to be posting 2 videos every day, like teaching you how to trade for free, for real, for real. But it's hard because I got shit to do. Like trading is not my life. Like I'm a father. Like I'm a husband. I've got dogs. Do you know what I'm saying? I got responsibilities. So whenever I've got free time, that's when I can quickly jump on this, pull out this laptop, and just make a video and explain to you why I trade the way I trade. Anyways, this is a quick video. Like, subscribe. I'll hit you up with some more.